I'm playing 8 ball pool. So, game billiard. So, while Donut is asleep, I make him a second channel. So, you can play it. This thing takes long. Oh, I think he heard something. Never mind. So, this takes so long. Interesting. The game is a bit laggy, so we can change another game. The game will freeze. It's a bit laggy. Sorry for bad quality, you know. So, today, I will try the geometry dash. Next, geometry dash. So I will go to creation and try here quantum wave. For the first time, I got on the video. So hard. Wait, let me lock in. God, this is so hard. Okay, I'm now focusing. Wait, what? Pushing it. Wait, okay, big is stuck all the time. Man, man. So he made this game, so let's make him a video. Always die, man. Like, to be real, not gonna lie, this creation is kinda hard. For me, it's kinda hard. Like, how do I even go up to the second one? Like, to be real. Like, see? Okay, I'm done. So we will go to the next second one. Atomic wave. Let's try atomic wave. Oh, this is one of my favorite donut creation. I did it 90%, but I died. The last part is kinda hard. Wait. Oh, that's so close. I mean, that's so close. That's so close. No. If I get 10%, I will end the video now. Man, that's so close. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching. That's it. Bye bye, and do not forget to like and subscribe.